Today I'm in Northumberland and I'm staying in an Airbnb. This particular one is an Airstream Airbnb, as you can see behind me. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it really does help me out. Leave any comments as well. And let's go and check it out. As you come into the Airstream, it's like time traveling back to 1976 when the caravan was first built. You can imagine the holidays that people would have gone, you know, across America, the families. I mean, it does have its modern features as well, you know. Didn't have one of those back in 1976. It's got a kettle. Sure. There's plenty of plug sockets in the Airstream. There's a couple there. There's two down there. There's two beside the bed over here. Some salt and pepper, just in case you want it. Cups. Got your tea, your coffee and your sugar, just in case you do forget to bring yours. Got some cleaning products. Your cutlery is in here. There's some forks. Even got a wine bottle opener, just in case you think I forgot it, and a pizza cutter, in case you want to cook one in the oven, which is here. Nice and clean inside, which is always a good sign. Got your traditional whistle blowing kettle. Gas hob. Well, it's getting to dinner time now, so it's time for some steak and potatoes. Coming in lovely. And of course, you can't go into an Airstream and not drink out of a retro style 1976 glass. Cheers. Have a glass of red, steak and potatoes, retro. Knife and fork. You can see it because of the sun. Retro 1976 Airstream. Oh, he's got one. Look at that. Got himself a juicy worm. Yes. Dinner. I wonder if these are the originals that were put in. They certainly look of a decent age. The old light switch for the bathroom on there, and you got the toaster if you want to do that. The heat and control, smoke alarm. There's a first aid kit at the back over there. Dustpan and brush, just in case you spill something if you come in through the bathroom area. Nice and compact. Shower. Tiny. Might get a couple of people in there if you like to share. Storage space. Shower curtain comes round. Remember, keep it on the inside, not the outside. Cupboard over this side. Oh, they've even given you an umbrella. And yeah, that's it. Oh, slide it door. The comfort area where you sit down and you can watch your rather modern TV. Fridge. You do get a couple of milk, but I bought my own, and also bought myself a Sainsbury's sandwich. Time for a bed test. Have a look. Oh, I think I'm going to sleep tonight. That's nice. That's soft. Oh, nice pillows as well. So when you come in, on the side there is an Airstream vintage Airstream. Here's a guide, and in here it has everything you need. It tells you about it. There's a contact number for emergencies, where the cafes are, local chemist. Whoops, fell apart. You've got the doors, you know, tells you to please close the doors or a friendly chicken will come in. Now, I have to put this back together now. Let's go outside. And welcome to Chicken Land. That was a really good night's sleep. Enjoyed that. As you can see, it's another beautiful day. Just up in this wonderful location. I will leave a link in the description for this Airbnb. Remember, there are a couple of other Airbnbs that this host actually has as well. There's the bothy next door with the outside toilet that they use. This Airstream has its own toilet, as you'd expect, and there's another like a bungalow as you come in, which you'll have seen on the video earlier. I'll leave a link in the description, all the details below of this particular Airbnb, this Airstream, and from that link you'll be able to see the bothy next door. The total price I paid for this was £97 for one night. Beautiful area, quiet. The fact that they've kept it original, apart from what they've had to change for electricity, TV, a modern kettle, but they still kept the whistling kettle, which is a good thing. Lots of original features still in this, which is what makes it a really good Airbnb. If you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Hit the notifications. I'll see you in the next one.